Came to London Tech Week because it is the biggest tech event in London. So we were like, we've got to be at this one for sure. And it was just a great chance for us to have exposure and meet other founders, partners, and also get warm introductions with potential investors. If I had to describe London Tech Week in one word, I would say welcoming, especially as a small startup. It's been great. I think there's nothing like it. You know, nothing can replace the human element of meeting people and having those conversations face to face. And we represent our companies. And I think, yes, you can go to a website. Yes, you can have a Zoom conference. But at the end of the day, nothing's going to replace being there in person and having those, you know, interesting conversations. So this week has been great. Obviously, long hours, but very fruitful. I think the connections we've made here, hopefully in the next few weeks, are going to transpire to something. So there's nothing like it.